Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Plug. So recently I had these powering up my Christmas lights. I plugged this into my outside outlet, and then I plugged my Christmas lights into these two plugins right here, and then I could remotely with my phone turn these on and off. But the nice thing was I could put it on a schedule. So even in the app, the TP-Link app or the Amazon app for your smart speaker, you can go in and tell it when to turn these on and off with. And you can also manually turn them on and off with, there's a little switch here. But it is IP64 waterproof. Okay, so you can't stick it in water, but if it gets a little bit of water that comes on it and drips off, that's fine. Let's do some measurements. So this is pretty flexible, but I also liked, so it's 9 inches. I also like that that's a 90-degree bend. I was able to put it in my outlet and still put my cover over it. Let's take a look down here. This is 3 inches by 4 inches, thickness-wise, 1.5 inches. And the plugs, they got to these little covers, but they're about 2 inches apart. And again, they're 3-prong. That's really nice. All right, let's go over ratings. Plug it into 125 volts. 60 hertz, 15 amps maximum load, or a 1/2 inch horsepower. I did operate this around 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It says it will go down to -4 degrees up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It does come with this little clamp that you, and a screw that you can clamp that wire. It's for this wire right here. You can clamp that to your house. Plug it in and then clamp that. You want that to be facing down so water doesn't run into it like that. They give you some tips on that. Now, it does say if you're not using one of these outlets, you're supposed to push that on really, not really hard, but firmly. And it will stay in there. If you just let it flop, it doesn't really stay. But if you push around, then it's going to actually help watertight that plug. Now, it is 2.4 gigahertz only. And see here, I plug it in. There's the lights. I can turn that outlet on and off manually with this. See there, when the light's on, the plug's on. And also with my phone remotely, that's what you'll hear. That light will come on when you turn it on with your phone, or if the schedule turns it on and off. But you can turn each plug individually on and off. That's a super nice feature. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.